Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn off comments on YouTube. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube. Then click on upper right corner. Then click on your channel. Then click on manage videos. Open the video. Then click on comment section. Now click on setting icon. Click on comments. Now click on disable comments. From doing this, you disable all the comments on YouTube video. I hope you have found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupon, spinning and wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider your support by commenting, liking, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.